What's up, you guys? You find yourself with the new Ranger 1500, one of these badass new machines, and it just sounds like maybe it's not a 1500cc machine. Maybe it sounds a little weak. We've got a fix. Check it out. RPM's new 2.5-inch muffler, and we've got an RPM big mouth header. These sound awesome. They're not too loud. You're getting some gains out of it. Let me pop this bed up, see what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so that's it. You got your RPM big mouth header and your RPM sport muffler. It's a 2.5-inch sport muffler, creating awesome gains for power and torque. But check it out. If you don't want to run the header, our slip-on muffler will bolt right up to your stock header. You buy the muffler and later on you're like, hey, I want to pick up 2 more horsepower. You can bolt the header on later. That means we can mix and match the headers and mufflers and stock header, stock muffler to aftermarket muffler, aftermarket header. It's that easy. So we made it really universal so guys can do more mods later on, whatever that may be. So this is a pass-through muffler with internal baffles, and we do offer spark arresters and quiet insert for the muffler as well. So let's fire it up. We're in the cab. This is a ultimate model, fully enclosed cab. That's the exhaust right there. So we're gonna give a quick little rip real fast. You'll see how quiet the exhaust still is. AC's all off. We can still sit here and talk and have a normal conversation. 100% throttle at 40 mile an hour. And yeah, that's it. I mean, this is what it sounds like. Yeah. Not droney, not annoying, not loud. Turn the AC on. I don't know, the AC may even be louder than the exhaust.